Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2013 Chevrolet Camaro. This is a 1LE, looks like a ZL1, but it's a 1LE 2SS. Big story with this, of course, is that the customer bought it 2 weeks after he owned it. He lost his license. It's been in storage ever since. So it's got 451 kilometers on it. It's loaded up with factory navigation as well as the dual mode performance exhaust and the 1LE package. And the 1LE package, of course, has all that performance goodies in it. So it's the SS performance package that you see right there with the 20-inch wheels, the high-performance tires, the low-gloss spoiler and front splitter, the black hood, the Brembo brake calipers, suede steering wheel and shifter knob, and the axle 3.91 axle. So awesome car, absolutely brand new, been sitting in a garage, never moved outside, just start it up every now and then to keep it going. That's it. It is awesome. What a beautiful car. Great color, great equipment. Look at the monster tires on the back of this. That is incredible. So it's got the flat black wheels with the Brembo painted calipers on it and the the Eagle F1 tires. On the inside, you've got the leather interior with the baseball stitching, the power passenger seat, all the goodies that come with a 2SS. And have a look in there at the door frames, like brand new. In here are the original books, the wheel locks, all the kit, everything's there. Nice baseball stitching there in the dash and factory navigation right there, which I'll show you when we get to the other side. It is just a thing of beauty. Unbelievable. So let me just show you in the back seat there. It is like brand new, of course, as you would expect. So awesome condition, awesome color. And here's your front wheel, no curb rash, no issues. Everything's in incredible condition, just ready to go. Fresh oil, all set, and there is no corrosion on that engine, nothing. It is just like brand spanking new. 451 kilometers kept in a heated garage. And there's that fabulous flat black hood, looks great on the car, and no stone chips, no issues, nothing to report. There's your other front wheel, no curb rash, nothing. It is just a thing of beauty. There you go there, gorgeous. And on the driver's door, you've got power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power trunk down there. You've got Boston Acoustics sound system. You've got a driver power seat with power recliner. The nice baseball stitching in that flawless leather. And the SS steering wheel with the Alcantara suede steering wheel and shifter with shifter knob and shifter cover. So let's climb in and we'll fire this one up. Yeah. Whoa, baby, that's awesome. 451 kilometers. Factory navigation, heads-up display. So I'll just show you the heads-up while that's working on it. So you can see the heads-up is working there. Your heads-up controls are right here. Here is your stereo MyLink with factory navigation. It's got the gauge package down there, air conditioning, of course. And wow, what a car. Nice rumble to that exhaust, just incredible. Who needs a stereo when you can listen to that? So there is your factory navigation, and we'll just show you there is your backup camera, as well as parking sensors. So you've got both options to keep you safe. Have a look at that nice door sill there. Everything's gorgeous, just a beauty. Look at that. Wow, that is gorgeous. The flat black against the black, what a great combination. Just looks gorgeous. Flat black wheels, red painted calipers. What a great looking car. Here's the real news at the back here is that rumble that engine makes. That is incredible. That's a lot of fun to drive around in. Down the side there, what a good look. So there you have it, folks. That is a 2013 Chevrolet Camaro 2SS 1LE, 451 kilometers. It's here and available at MunroMotors.com. Hey, come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. I'll look forward to seeing you real soon.